Hello everyone, welcome to Sikkhon, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to freeze frame clone trail effect in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First things first, drag the footage into the project timeline or sequence. Now analyze the footage and the subject or person. You can freeze the subject anywhere. Decide in which points you want to freeze. When you find a freeze point, keep the mouse pointer there and select Export Frame from the Video Monitor section. Choose the file format, here I kept JPEG, select File Location, and rename the file, then give a check mark in Import into Project, and then click OK. You'll see the file already imported in the project. Drag it into the sequence like this. Then click the photo layer and select Edit in Adobe Photoshop. In Photoshop, select the subject and remove the background. Then save it as PSD file. Then import the PSD file into the project. Replace the previous JPEG file like this. Now the video, if this effect is worked or not. It worked. Now go to second freeze point and do the exact same thing again, in same process. And then go to the third freeze point and do the same thing. You can choose different freeze points, as much as you need. That's it. Now play the whole video to see if it's okay. That's how you freeze frame clone trail effect in Premiere Pro. For more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Visit Sikkhon.com for a wide range of free and premium courses. Thank you for watching.